Today I have an exciting video. Here is all the curriculum that I absolutely love, and I want to tell you, mommy friends, in details what I think about the curriculums and all of that great stuff. Hi mommy friends, welcome to my channel, Danielle's Perfect Home. On my channel I discuss everything homeschool and homemaking. If that is any interest to you, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Welcome back mommy friends. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, mommy friends, please excuse the noise. I am getting some work done on my house and there's nothing I can do about it because I still need to be consistent on here and film content for you mommy friends. Today I have an exciting video. Here is all the curriculum that I absolutely love, and I want to tell you, mommy friends, in details what I think about the curriculums and all of that great stuff. Okay, so we're not starting in any particular order. So first I have this is the Easy Peasy fourth reader, and this is day 1 through 90. I absolutely love the Easy Peasy reading curriculums. It is open and go, and it has questions, it already has the stories in here. This is more of a classical literature style. It does have the McGuffey reader, I believe the McGuffey reader 2 in this book. Oh, it has the McGuffey third grade electric reader. And then it also has some stories in here as well. So if you're open to go mommy friend like I am, then this will be perfect for you for reading for those higher grade levels, higher upper elementary grade levels. So I highly would recommend this and I absolutely love it. Next I have would be the first language lessons from the well-trained mind. This is level 1. I actually picked this up for my daughters when they were in kindergarten, first grade. I picked this up for them to do it in first grade, but we actually did it this year. As you can tell, where's my little thing? So we are here. We stopped here with it. I don't know if you can see my tab, but we stopped on lesson 57. And we just absolutely love this. This has memory work in here. It has grammar. No, it doesn't have grammar. Nothing grammar here. It has memorization in here. It has poem memorization. It has story narratives. The kids are learning common noun, proper nouns. They're learning verbs. They're learning narration. They also do go over grammar, but it is not intense grammar. It's just more like grammar rules or whatnot, like capitalization and periods at the end. I absolutely love that this is also open to go. It is teacher student style, so you can definitely, it tells you what to say, and yeah, you just follow along, and it's super easy. You don't need anything else to go along with this, which I absolutely love. So highly recommend this if you are a mommy friend, and if you have a second grader, definitely great. Definitely if you teach multiples as well, this is great as well. Next, I will have to say is our health, safety, and manners. We do have 1 and we also have 3. I absolutely love these because, and this is by Abeka, right? This is by Abeka. Everything I will mention in the description box below. I absolutely love the health, safety, and manners program just because it teaches the children things that they should know, like when seeing a stop sign, crossing the street, brushing your teeth, keeping up with your hygiene, fixing your hair, just making sure like you're all together, and a lot of things that the children need to know. And so yeah, I highly will recommend this. Next would be second grade Math with Confidence. Math with Confidence is overall one of my favorite math curriculums. I absolutely love Math with Confidence. We did Math with Confidence for first grade, and then we did this year for second grade. I absolutely love Math with Confidence. It is so open and go. It is hands-on. It uses manipulatives, and also it tells you what to do. You get the workbook pages. The workbooks come in color. I just love this math curriculum, and I love that I can teach both of my daughters at the same time with this, and it just goes by smoothly with them, and it just keeps them both on track, and it's just a great learning alternative to other math curriculums that I've used in the past, and I absolutely love this. It's hands-on and it keeps my daughters engaged, and we do this every single year, and I'm going to continue with this, and I just absolutely love this. Next will be a oldie but a goodie. Learning to read. This is learning to read 6 and 10. If you already know, it is a whole reading program, and I absolutely love this for my daughters. I've tried a lot of reading curriculums, and I will share that with you, mommy friends, in my next video. So make sure you are subscribed. I've tried a lot of reading curriculums, and this is the only one that actually sticks. This taught my son how to read, and he's now in the 5th grade, and this is teaching my daughters how to read, and they are in the 2nd grade, so we have to go back to the basics. This is in black and white, but I absolutely love the structure of this reading curriculum because it teaches language, grammar, reading, phonics. All of that is incorporated in this book here, and also in the next one I'm going to mention, and that is in the language arts as well. So these two kind of go together. Once you reach like 105, I believe, then you have to start intertwining the language arts curriculum. And I just love both of them because I could just knock out reading and language at the same time. Reading is typically like 4 pages in their workbook, and then they have 2 pages to do for language arts, and they tie in together. So I absolutely love that, and it's been going well. I have used this program for all 3 of my children, and it gravitates to all 3 of them. Last but not least, I have Horizons Math. Horizons Math is a oldie but goodie for us in this house, and it's kind of sad that we had to have another math curriculum. Oops, sorry. It's kind of sad that we had to choose another math curriculum this year for my son, just because the harder concepts are not taught in here. These are open and go. This is the student room book. It is in color. The concepts in this book is spiral method, and it does approach concepts fast and rapidly, and it also spiral into concepts that they already learned. And then here's the teacher's guide, and it just has the answers in the teacher guide. It really don't tell you how to explain the lessons to your child or the concepts to your child. But other than that, I still love it. It's still open to go, and it's in color, and it's just an all around great math curriculum as well. Alrighty, mommy friends. So these are my favorite homeschool curriculums and supplements and all the great things. And I hope this video was helpful for you, mommy friends. Again, I will link everything in the description box below if you want to find any of this. And I shall see you, mommy friends, in my next one. Bye.